this video, I'll show you how to create a white border around objects or images in Canva for a sticker-like effect. Open Canva, create a new project. Change the background color to your preference. Go to the Elements tab and drag your object onto the canvas. Select your object, then click Edit. In the left toolbar, find Shadows Effects. Click it, then choose Outline. Instantly, a border appears around your object. Now, we can customize it. Change the border color to white. Increase the size slider to thicken the border. Keep intensity at 100 for full opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching.